Good morning, everybody. Jeff here. Hey, we got a big day ahead of us here on Home Depot's website because they've got the special buy of the day. And today we have cordless combo kits, and some of them are up to $200 off. So take a look through there. I'll put the link in the description down below for you so you can go directly to this page. And by the way, as you know, anytime we give you links to like Home Depot and Lowe's and Amazon and Acme Tools and all that, you know those are affiliate links of ours. And so we'll earn a small commission if you choose to buy your tools through our links. And we thank you for supporting our channel in this manner, folks. This helps us bring you more content like this, and it helps us to keep buying tools that we give away in our big tool giveaways like the one we just did last week. Holy cow, did we give out some stuff. I'm still shipping stuff out, believe it or not. So I want to just briefly kind of breeze through here some of them and show you. Now, if you're just kind of breaking into the business and maybe you're a handyman or something and you don't have much money, this Ryobi kit right here, you got 12 tools in here, and for $649, it's $100 off. It's okay, it's not a huge savings, but it is something. And this is averaging about $50 a tool. So if you bought a kit like this would get you started with just about every tool you would need in your business, and it would earn you money. Now, if you're more into the higher end stuff and you want to look at the brushless fuel tools here, you got some combo kits from Milwaukee. So this 4-tool kit here is $200 off, 22% savings. And remember, when you see these savings, that doesn't mean that's really exactly how much you would be saving. It's how much you would be saving if you were to buy these separately. So the question is how low have we seen this kit in the past? Have we seen it lower? Have we seen it higher? So at least for right now, sometimes you might not find a kit like this in the stores, but this would still be a good deal for you. And kits like these too, you always want to make sure, check every item in the kit. Make sure this is the model number you were looking for. Make sure it's brushless. So if you were expecting brushless, make sure that it's brushless. This kit here has the surge in it, which is a nice impact that a lot of people like because it doesn't make all the hammering, clicking sound, and it's powerful hydraulic drive. And this one is 30% off for this kit, down to $600. Some of your other Ryobi kits, I've always found that sometimes the smaller number of tools in the combo kits that save you the most money. This kit right here is, as you can see, 65% off. Normally $280. You're saving $181 on this kit, 99 bucks. I think we saw this at Black Friday around this price. So some of these kits, if you do see them at a decent price, they're probably very similar to what they had at Black Friday. Here's, for example, another Ryobi kit. This one is also 62% off. This is a 5-tool combo kit with a couple of batteries. And this light's not too bad. I like the other light better, the LED area light. This one is more like I consider this to be more like a floor light. It tends to light low and not kind of like up and around and everything else. If you set it down on the floor, it will kind of light everything around on the floor area. Now, if you come in here and you'll see other Ryobi kits that are in the 50% off range. And we finally have some rigid kits involved here as well. I am just going to breeze through these because we don't have much time. These are good for today only. And sometimes deals sell out early. Now, a lot of people were always asking me about, these ratchets. How can I get a deal on these? Is there going to be any types of BOGOs or anything? So here they've got 36% off. But again, with the Milwaukee, it doesn't mean you're actually getting 36% off. That's just off of the retail value of all 4 tools. And a lot of times these are pretty good deals. So this is really the only time I buy these ratchets because, for example, now, is this the fuel one? Yeah, these are fuels. So these fuel ratchets can be $175 in the store for the 3/8 inch, and sometimes $145 for the non-fuel versions. So that's how much you would look at spending individually on these tools. And here's your fuel bandsaw and your recip. And this deal is 41% off here at $289. Disappointingly, though, I haven't seen any sales on the Ryobi HP batteries. Those are the ones I'm trying to score. And, of course, the nailer is sold out already, I believe, on this deal. Now, you can check out throughout the day. Sometimes they get them back in, but usually not. For example, a lot of times these nailers like this one here is $2.99 in the stores. We rarely see these go on sale in the store. Usually the best time to get deals on the Milwaukee nailers is when you see these buys of the day. But there you go. There's all of the deals that we have so far today. You want to come back and look at this video that we uploaded earlier today that shows these other leaked tools, including the battery. And of course, if you were finding this information useful so far, folks, hey, give us a thumbs up below. That tells us that you like us. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, you see what you're missing out on. We keep finding the best deals for you, and yesterday we came up with a great scheme here for you to get even 10% off of the Power Stack buy one get one free deal. And don't forget to check out our engineering failures too here, like the continuing investigations into the Miami condo collapse here, and then of course the Pittsburgh bridge collapse from last week. We have videos on that as well. So thank you so much for joining us, folks, and we'll see you on the next one.